Hey guys, Nickel Aviation here with another unboxing for you. Today I got my Gemini 200 UPS Boeing 747-400. Let's take a quick look at the box and we'll get right to the model. Here's the model diagram on front. Gemini 200. We'll come to the side. We got the model diagram right there. Gemini 200. There you go. Come to the back. It's not any different than any other box. So there you go. And here's this side. So let's get right to the model. It does have a button actually. So let me see if I can get this out. Alright, there we go. There it is. There it is in the box. I can put my camera down again to pick it up. Alright, here she is. It's a huge model. I'd say it's about 14 inches long in length. So let's start right up here. Very nice detail. Come out here on the wing. Like that. Come back here. There we go. That off. Here's a horizontal stabilizers. Or vertical, whatever. Here's the side now. There's the tail again. There's the registration. Here's the wing. Here's the front again. We'll take a closer look at the engines now. One of the engines, they do spin, if you're wondering. Try to get a good view of that. There you go. But, it's a great model. It's probably my favorite model now. Just because its size, and I love cargo jets, and the cargo jet 747s are my favorite type of cargo plane. So, it's probably my favorite model now. I'll give you a nose view. There you go. And we'll take a look at landing gear real quick. Got the nose and the mains right back there. Here's the bottom. And there's UPS right on the under the nose. Who wants to focus? Yep, there we go. And it's a pretty heavy model too, so that about wraps it up for this review, or unboxing. I may get that second video I told you guys about in my Facebook status, but we'll see about that. Today's pretty busy, but I'll try to put it up soon. So that wraps it up for this video. I'll give you guys one quick look at this nice model, and I'll be done talking, and you guys can carry on with your day. And that's it, guys. I will talk to you later.